Hey everyone, it's your boy Jeremy from Cherry Auto Detailing. Today I want to test Super Ceramic window film using a solar meter to show you how well it performs in Guam's climate. We'll show you how much light and heat passes through the clear glass versus the Super Ceramic window tint. This is our Super Ceramic window film that we offer here at Cherry Auto Detailing, and we're going to demonstrate this by using a heat lamp and a solar meter. So that way you can see the difference between regular glass and Super Ceramic window film. The heat lamp is replicating the sun, and the solar meter is gauging the amount of heat and light passing through the window film, or the window. This is no windows, and then we're gonna move it over. This is Super Ceramic window film at 20% VLT, and you can see the dramatic drop. Here you go. And then we're gonna move over. All right, we got the front door tinted. Now we're gonna gauge it and show you the difference between the front door being Super Ceramic and the rear door being factory dyed glass. This has no tint on it, it's just a dyed piece of glass. So this is the best way to show you the difference between Super Ceramic versus naturally dyed glass. Only because I don't carry any traditional dyed film. So, ready? Here's the light. And then I'm gonna push it right up into the, here, I'll show you guys. Come closer. So, okay, so now we're gonna go into here. We're inside the car. This is factory dyed glass. There's no window tint on this. I'll put this against it and put it right here. And look at the difference. This is factory dyed glass. So if you think your back windows are tinted, it's not. Cool. So now you guys see the difference. If you guys are interested in Super Ceramic window film, hit me up.